everyone, welcome back to our online lesson. Welcome to our homeschool learning to Bunjit Vidya School's online video class for Math in Action. You are going to study math on this video. With me, my name is Teacher Reva. We will be together as we learn another set of math concepts in English. Are you ready? Are you ready? If you are, then let's begin. First, let's have a review or let's have a recap on what we had on our previous video. On the last video that we had, we discussed and studied about comparing and arranging counting numbers. These are the symbols you are going to remember and use when we say compare. And these are the terms that you have to remember when we say arrange. That's comparing and arranging counting numbers. Okay. For instance, we are going to compare these two numbers. We have 5,274,612 and 23,150,651. The easiest way to compare the two numbers is to look out for the number of their digits. For number 1, there are 7 places, while for number 2, there are 8 places. That means if we compare 7 and 8, 7 is lesser than 8, which means 5,274,612 is less than 23,150,651. Or you can do the vice versa if you want. We also have comparing same number of digits. Here, we both have numbers with 8 places, right? What you're going to do is to check each digit of both numbers. 4 and 4 are the same, 2 and 2 are the same, 5 and 3 are not. So we compare 5 and 5. Compared to 3 is greater. 5 is greater than, which means 42,560,125 is greater than 42,315.18. How do we arrange numbers again? We arrange numbers going up or going down. If the numbers are going up, it's in an ascending order. Ascending order. But when it's going down, it's descending order. Descending order. We also included on the last video the different patterns of numbers. That is when we choose a row or numbers from left to right. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 61, 62, 63, and 64. Both numbers, if you try to look at their pattern, they are all increased by 1 or they go up by 1. Look, it's 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Numbers going to the right are increased by 1 or goes up by 1. However, when we choose numbers from bottom to top, example, 90, 80, 70, 60, and 96, 86, 76, and 66, they are all decreased by 10, or they go down by 10. 90 minus 10 equals 80, 80 minus 10 equals 70, 70 minus 10 equals 60, and 60 minus 10 equals 50. Now, let's learn more. For this video, we are going to focus on another topic, and that's all about addition and subtraction. Can you repeat after me? Say addition. Very good. Say subtraction. Very good. This red plus sign here represents addition, while this green sign here represents subtraction. Plus, addition, minus, subtraction. Let's go. First, we have here patterns in addition. What is 60,000 plus 80,000? How do we solve that equation? In this case, let's use the number pattern to find out. In the table, we write down the places and the place values to find out the pattern. We have 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Using the places and the place values, answering addition equations become easier. Look at this. 6 tens plus 8 tens. The answer would be 14 tenths. If we have 6 hundredths and 8 hundredths, there would be 14 hundredths. If there's 6 thousandths plus 8 thousandths, we also have 14 thousandths. 6 10,000ths plus 8 10,000ths, we have 14 10,000ths. The answers here are still in places and place values form. Now if we try to look at it, this is the case. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 6 tenths and 8 tenths. When you say 6 tenths, that gives us 60 and 80. Therefore, the answer would be 140. 6 hundredths and 8 hundredths give us 600 plus 800. We have 1400 or 1,400. 6 thousandths and 8 thousandths, that give us 6,000 plus 8,000. We have 14,000. And lastly, it's 6 10,000ths plus 8 10,000ths. We get 140,000. Just remember that when you do mental math for these equations, you just have to add zeros at the end of the equation that would be equal to the number of zeros of the place value. Just The same with patterns in subtraction, we also use places and place values to find out the patterns. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 8 tenths minus 5 tenths equals 3 tenths. 8 hundredths minus 5 hundredths equals 3 hundredths. 8 thousandths minus 5 thousandths equals 3 thousandths. And 8 ten thousandths plus 5 ten thousandths equals 3 ten thousandths. If we evaluate it, we have it here. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 80 minus 50 equals 30. 800 minus 500 equals 300. 8,000 minus 5,000 equals 3,000. And 80,000 minus 50,000 equals 30,000. For these kind of equations, you just have to add zeros according to what place value belongs. Now, we also have to learn how to add multi-digit numbers. Multi-digit numbers means numbers more than one. Adding multi-digit numbers without carrying, giving us the exact sum. Let's read all together. A company deposits 2 checks into the company's current account amount 1,321,547 baht and 634,132 baht. What is the total amount deposited to the company account, or how much money does the company has all in all? In this word problem, we need to have the number sentence, and that's 1,321,547 plus 634,132. Remember that when you add multi-digit numbers or any numbers, make sure that you arrange the numbers and they are all aligned correctly. For example, 1,321,547 plus 634. 634,130 should fall under beginning with 3. So it looks like this. When this is the position of your number, you can now add. And you add starting from the right. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Put the comma and there you have the answer. In total, 1,955,679 is deposited to the company's current account. That's how to add multi-digit numbers. Arrange and align the numbers to get the correct answer. But what if there are 3 numbers or more? What shall we do? On the previous slide, we had only 2 numbers. What would would be the process if we have 3 numbers or more? Example, this one. 38,421 plus 521,321 plus 9,320,254. There are 2 ways to do it. First, add 2 numbers first and then add the sum to the other number. Again, add 2 numbers first and then add the sum to the other. So you can have 38,421 plus the second number, 521,321. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. And bring down 5. This is our first sum. We still have to add 9,320,254. That is our third number. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 5. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 5 plus 2 equals 3, 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And bring down 9. Our answer for this method is 9,879,996. Let us see if we have the same answer when we do the second method. Our method 2 is add all 3 numbers at the same time. We will not separate the addition process, but instead we add them together. All 3 numbers add together. We have here 38,421 plus 521,321 and 9,320,254. 1 plus 1 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 2 plus 5 equals 9. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. 8 plus 1 plus 0 equals 9. 3 plus 2 plus 2 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8 and 9. Even if we do the second method, our answer is still the same. It's 9,879,996. That is for addition. How about if we do subtraction of multi-digit numbers? In December, Post Office delivered 4,335,427 letters. In January 4,124,315 letters were delivered. Calculate the difference of the letters delivered in those 2 months. Let's use subtraction. This is our number sentence. How are we going to solve it? Just like addition, arrange and align the numbers to get the correct answer. We have here 4,335,427 minus 4,124,350. Start from the right. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2, and 4 minus 4 equals 0. But we can choose not to write 0, so our answer is this. In January, this post office delivered 211,112 letters less than in December. However, if there are 3 numbers or more, how would we do it? Subtract the second number from the first number and then subtract the third number from the difference. Subtract first, second, before subtracting it with the final number. So we have 2 minus 1 equals 1, 4 minus 2 equals 2, 5 minus 5 equals 0, 6 minus 2 equals 4, 7 minus 4 equals 3, 8 minus 3 equals 5, 6 minus 0 equals 6. Now, we will add together minus 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 0, 2, 2. We have 22,011. That is our final answer. For subtracting 3 numbers or more, we only have one method. Okay? So, that is all for today. I hope you have learned something from today's lesson. Thank you all for watching and for listening. I hope to see you next time on our next homeschool learning. Goodbye everyone, and keep safe always.